Oh, do you love Popo? So excited to come out and play in the backyard all day, every day. Why do you guys wash your car so much?
Daddy helped me to get out of my bad mood and come and have fun with you guys at school. I'm Nadia here and we are working on something so awesome.
Who made this cake?
Me!
Yes, you did. It's so awesome.
Hey, Simon in here! We are still having jet lag issues. We just can't stay awake. We're so tired. I had a friend say that you have jet lag for as many days as you were hours ahead. So that means 14 days. We can't have jet lag for 14 days.
Canyon and I are playing this game right here. It's called Catchphrase.
Catchphrase?
This is called Catchphrase. The funny thing about this game that Canyon and I are playing is we're not even playing it like it's supposed to be played. We're playing it the way that Canyon wants to play. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Come on. This is how Canyon plays this game. Oh, ready, set, go. Yeah, you're just like a clock. It's faster. Sarah went to pick up, I think she went to pick up Az and have lunch with Savannah today. Really, really cool. I wish I could be there, but we didn't want to take all the kids. So Sarah decided to go alone. Anyway, I'm just sitting here playing with Canyon. Gigo, it's going faster. Faster, faster. Oh, faster. Oh, it's done.
Az has been asking to go to the book fair at the school, and Savannah was asking this morning if I would come to the Look and Lunch where I eat lunch with her and then look at the book sale or book fair. I don't know, I was grumpy this morning and I just didn't want to go. And Johnny and I have been talking this morning asking, why are we grumpy today? Because he feels grumpy today too. And so we were asking each other, why are we grumpy today? What might be a factor and what can we do to change it? And we figured that we have been spending too much time on social media. When our kids spend too much time on their phones and social media, they get grumpy and have bad attitudes, and we're the same. Just because we're adults doesn't mean that we need to be on social media all the time or can handle social media all the time. And so I picked up Az from school and we're gonna go in and do the lunch and look with Savannah and Lizzie just because they want that time with me, and I don't have, as a mom, I only have so much time where they care about me being with them, care about me coming to school. So I need to take advantage of all of the opportunities I get of them saying, please, 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 please come with me. And maybe they're saying it just because they want me to buy them a book. But I am hoping, and I think they really want me to be here to spend time with them. So, you ready?
Oh, Mommy, what? One of the books at the book fair, it's for free.
What?
Yeah, it's a Hot Wheels one.
All right, let's go find Savannah and Lizzie.
And then
through the fields of our paths, feelings part.
Let's go find Savannah.
George! A stuffed animal Curious George, bigger than my Curious George.
That is so cool. Let's go find Savannah. Actually,
So
let's go this way because Lizzie's supposed to be coming to the office. Hi. Okay, we gotta find Lizzie now. Hi. You ready for lunch and look?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get some lunch. Lizzie has her lunch. Looks yummy.
I want to fall down.
And me and Az are gonna share lunch, right, Az? And Savannah has her lunch. Are you enjoying this stuff too?
Thursday's my favorite meal of the week because it's mashed potatoes. I'm a mashed potato person.
Do you have it every Thursday? Cool. I'm glad we chose a good day then.
But it's always different kind of mashed potatoes. Like sometimes it's chicken leg and mashed potatoes, sometimes it's meat and mashed potatoes, sometimes it's chicken balls and mashed potatoes in a bowl. It's really good.
Can you put our tray in the garbage? Oh, you guys with Daddy. Okay, let's go to the library.
It's true. The difference is
The one I want.
Oh, I see, because it has a car on it.
Yeah.
That's the one you want most of all in the whole book fair? You gotta choose which one you want most of all. Do you know what you're choosing?
Not yet.
Oh, Savannah found a back scratcher. I think we should get that one so you can scratch my back all the day. Is that your final choice?
Not my final choice, but if I don't find anything else before those two shoes, then yes, it's my final choice.
All right, because it's probably time for you to go back to class.
That's the one I want.
What is yours, Lizzie?
Princesses.
Oh, I like it. 5 chanting tales.
Hey, Kiko, let's go get in the car. Let's go pick up Danielle. Should we go pick up Danielle? Danielle. Oh, good job. All that work at school just to come home and ride in a car through the car wash. Are you happy about that?
Totally.
Rainbow Jack.
Rainbow soap, yay! We have had many comments. In fact, it's quite interesting to hear some of those comments asking questions like this one. Why do you guys wash your car so much? And then comments like, you guys wash your car like every day. So let me just explain that really quick. We have
OCD.
yeah, we have a car wash here called the Supersonic Car Wash, and what you do is you pay for it monthly. It's like $30 a month for one car, and you can go in as many times as you want to during the day. In fact, we've done it what, 3 times before in one day?
Yeah.
As many times as you want to in one day. I was paying at one time. I was paying like $6 a car wash, and so that you can only wash your car like once a week. If you spend $30, you can only wash it once a week. So we pay the monthly, and so we actually take advantage of it as much as we possibly can because it's a monthly, and so you can just do it as many as you want, as many times as you want in the month, and they don't charge you any extra. So that's why we go to the car wash so many times, and it's fun to hear Canyon go, rainbow soap and bubbles.
I think I need more hands for these cute kiddos. Bye, love you, have fun. Okay, have fun, I love you.
Okay, love you.
See you after school. That was actually super fun. Did you have fun? It was great. Lizzie just kept hugging my arm. And look at this, can you see that? She got tomato seeds on my shirt. She was hugging me so much and eating at the same time she squirted tomato seeds at me. And Savannah, she was in charge. She showed us how to get our lunch and showed us where the library was. She was...
I also showed us where the library
Yeah,
is.
you did too, huh? I'm glad that Daddy helped me to get out of my bad mood and come and have fun with you guys at school.
I'm glad that I got my first book from school.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, huh?
I just noticed something, and this is kind of how my brain works. See that right there? That's a brand new dent on the fridge. There are tons and tons of new little scratches and things that I found around the house just while we were gone. Aspen is an incredible babysitter, helped us out so much while we were gone. These things happen, right? It's just a normal thing. When you have kids, it's just a normal thing to have dents and scratches and all these different things. But as a parent, you get frustrated about it. You find something that's broken, you find something that's dented or scratched. You work really hard to have nice stuff, and you work really hard to keep things nice, keep things clean. And when you see these things, your initial reaction is, are you kidding me? But as you look at all these different little pieces and parts, a good friend of mine, who I haven't seen for a long time, reminded me that those things are actually so important. It's the little smudges in life, little dents and dings and scratches and paints and paint on the carpet, that is basically the signature of the life that your kids are living, and basically the signature of who they are. And so it's actually really important to realize and recognize that those are actually good things. It's just like the bumps and bruises that we have on our bodies and in our lives, to basically show us who we are, where we've been, and where we're going. So it's just a mental piece today that as I saw that little dent on the fridge, that I need to remember that that is something that is because of an experience that our kids had, not because they're going around just breaking stuff on purpose.
Are you supposed to be some sort of monster?
Hey, hey, hey.
You're like Minion off of Megamind.
What?
Set a timer for 3 minutes.
Me and Mommy right there are going to Costco.
There's an ambulance
There's an
and
ambulance.
a fire truck at Costco.
Yeah, why?
I don't know.
Oh, see,
I think somebody got hurt.
yeah, I think. Or maybe a fire is in Costco.
I don't think a fire because look, they're getting out the stretcher. So that must mean that someone got hurt.
Oh.
Maybe someone fell down and bonked their heads.
Or maybe somebody cracked their head.
Maybe.
But I want to see what happened.
I know, but we just need to let them do their work so that the person who got hurt can get taken care of very quickly. Az wants all the samples at Costco. What sample did you just eat?
Sushi delicious.
Oh, Daddy's would be jealous. One more down there. He says, I need a sample.
I love samples.
Egg rolls.
Yeah, this is yummy.
What do you say? What?
28 these in that whole line.
We bought 28 things? That's pretty cool. Good counting.
What do you have? Did you find boards with lots and lots of dirt on them? What are you gonna do with them? It's so cute. Canyon is out here taking all those pieces of wood and he's building a campfire. Obviously he's not making a fire, but he's gathering all the wood up and putting it in the fire pit. I might have to just light this for him later just so he can see what all of his work does. Are you proud? Oh, good job. Dirty hands. Okay. Okay, now we'll come back to it later, okay? I don't think Gigo wants to wait. And I don't think I can get more excited about this sunshine right here and the birds chirping in the background and the warm temperatures of being able to come outside and play again. So exciting. So excited to come out and play in the backyard all day, every day.
Mommy, Daddy, come here.
What?
I built something at the playhouse.
Oh, dude. I'm so excited to see this. Oh, what did you build? What do you call this?
A machine.
It's a machine. So we have the base here. We've got the crisscross going on here. We've got rocks on grass right here. And what is this?
A huge rock.
So what does the machine do?
It makes food.
Oh, what kind of food?
Chicken noodle soup.
This makes chicken noodle soup?
So the rocks are the chicken.
Okay.
And then the grass is the noodles.
Oh, do you like this machine, Gigo? I like it too. Good job.
This is an airplane.
Oh, it's an airplane machine. I love it. Oh, you laying with Popo Popo Popo? He's such a good dog, huh, Gigo? Oh, is Charlie bothering you? Charlie, you'll get your turn, dude. Good job, good boy. Good boy, Charlie. Oh, do you love Popo Popo? Polar loves it too, Gigo. You know Polar loves you?
Yeah.
Yeah, he loves you.
Nadia's in the house. Make her jump. We have Nadia here and we are working on something so awesome and we are so excited about it. Yeah. It's gonna be so great. It is still a secret, so Just keep watching. We'll keep updating you on it.
We're gonna let you guys in on this secret really soon.
Yep.
Me and Lizzie and Az are playing a game where I'm the mom, Canyon's my son, Charlie's my dog, and then Az and Lizzie are playing Minecraft on the swings where they have like different levels, dragons, all that fun stuff. It's super fun game. Gigo likes being my baby.
We're late, yo.
Sorry. I had to watch 3 of them for a grade.
How did you do on yours?
I think I did really good.
How's your dress?
It's a little see-through right here.
I love it. You're set, right? You don't need anything else for the dance? Except for tickets and money and shoes. You still have to find shoes? Are you gonna do heels or flats?
Well, Carson is 6 inches taller than me.
You're not gonna do your sparkly heels that I got you? It probably won't be that cold.
I don't know, it might be though.
Thank you, Nadia.
You're welcome. I look at go. I was surprised at my shoe. I put on my shoe and I was like, did my shoe break?
That's
Is my
awesome.
soul folding over or something like that?
Canyon just wants you to remember him.
Thank you.
Is there one in that one too?
Surprise number 2. Woo! Thank you.
That's the best.
We are so like, I'm up there really right now. Like we are so excited, like floating on cloud 9 about the opportunity and this cool thing that we're working on together. Like it's just amazing, and Nadia is making it happen with her it's just extreme talent. So we're excited. We're gonna let her go for now, but we're making her come back so we can continue to work on this so that we can provide to you something incredible. Incredible, so we're so excited.
We can't wait.
Thank you, Nadia, we love you. You are worth it.
You are worth it. You are worth it.
Hello.
Hi, everybody.
I'm so sorry we're so late.
That's okay. You're the first one.
Yay! Did you hear that? We're the first ones here, so that means we're on time.
Yeah, that's right.
Hey! So the cool thing, we're at James's birthday party for the beach house, and they do treasure hunt videos, and so James is on a treasure hunt right now, and will be right here, his cake.
You can't say what's gonna happen though.
There's something in the cake. So they put this front room full of balloons, and then Michael said that he wants everyone in the back room, so we're putting all of the balloons from this front room and we're moving it right here into this back family room. So everyone can be in here when he comes in and shout surprise.
Happy birthday!
Who made this cake?
Me!
Yes, you did. It's so awesome.
I'm actually pretty proud of this one.
You should be.
These look like tires.
Oh, I didn't even notice. So we have tires there. Obviously the road and track here. It goes underneath of a tunnel, which is a tunnel. I love it. Oh, there's another tunnel on this side. Love it.
Happy birthday, dear James. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Hurry! Everyone get his spoons! Get his spoons! Whoa!
I think you can get it out now, James.
What's in it?
It's a treasure chest, it looks like.
Here it comes. What?
I don't think so. Let's limit it.
What?
What? Who? Where? What? This is a cake to the 19 What? A 19 piece!
Are you serious? Are you serious?
What?
I'm freaking out.
Good night, guys. Seriously, we parked about a block and a half away so that so the surprise would actually be a real surprise. And now the kids are like, where are we? You got dogs barking at us. We might get the cops called on us. But it's a beautiful night.
It's so cold.
No, it's love. It's awesome. You are worth it. Good night, guys. You're worth it.